Alright guys, it's brow time. I'm gonna start off with the NYX Professional Tinted Brow Mascara. I'm just gonna run this across my brow. It does give it a tiny bit of color. It is laying the hairs in the direction that I need it to. Star of today's show, the Maybelline Tattoo Studio. I'm gonna be trying it in the shade 380 Deep Brown. Start this by etching the bottom. She's like dark, isn't she? She is dark. Brown, green, all the way down, orange. I'm gonna go ahead and load up my brush one more time and mop out the top arch of that brow, just like so. The brow powder to finish that brow, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that powder into the product we initially started with, and just carefully bring it all the way in to wherever you need. So I ended up adding a couple of hair-like strokes all the way into the brow, and to me that really completes that eyebrow look. What do you guys think?